Dear colleagues, Namaste. We are heading towards the end of wonderful and fantastic journey of this learning bonanza. MSBT approved 4-week online FDP on tools for online teaching learning process, organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. I, Dr. Ramat Dias, Head of Pharmacy Department and convener of this FDP, take this opportunity to express sincere gratitude to all the stakeholders of this FDP who have contributed in their own way for successful organization of this FDP. Let me first acknowledge and thank our beloved Honorable Dr. Abhay Wagh sir, Director DT Mumbai, for his constant motivation and blessings for all the good works being done in technical education. His mesmerizing speeches, inspiring leadership, and transforming each dream into reality for upliftment of technical education has made us to conspire this idea of organizing this FDP. Thank you, dear sir, for being our motivator and mentor. I also thank Honorable Gnandev Nathe sir, Joint Director RO Nasik, and Dr. Suresh Yavalkar sir, Joint Director DT Mumbai, for their guidance and support in organizing this FDP. Our sincere gratitude towards Dr. V.M. Mohitkar sir, Director MSBT Mumbai, for approving this FDP within no time. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring welcome message to all the participants on occasion of inaugural ceremony of this FDP. I also thank Dr. V.R. Jadhav sir, Secretary MSBT Mumbai, and Umesh Nagdive sir for their support. My special thanks are due to Dr. Anand Pawar sir, Deputy Secretary RBT Aurangabad, for his help and guidance. It is with the guidance and support from our dynamic principal, Dr. Mahendra Ingle sir, that we could organize this FDP. His constant motivation and resolving our problems has made this successful FDP a cakewalk for us. Thank you, sir. I also thank all the HODs, faculty, staff of Government Polytechnic Jalgaon for their cooperation. Now it's a time to thank and meet our dynamic team of Department of Pharmacy. Chief coordinators Dr. Prashant Argade and Dr. Kuldeep Bansod have taken lots of pains to organize this FDP. My colleagues and coordinators, Dr. Vivek Kahale, Dr. Chaitali Pawar, Mr. Rakesh Daude, and Mr. Sunil Gaikwad have also worked round the clock for making this FDP a grand success. Without this team, this wonderful journey would not have been possible. Well done! Lage raho, team Department of Pharmacy. This was back-to-back organization of 8-week faculty development program and 4-week faculty development program. So, dear colleagues, I'm proud of you. Also, I extend my sincere thanks to all the resource persons from my department as well as from other colleges too. Dr. Deepak Patil, Dr. Kailas Mali, and Dr. Vishwajit Ghorpade from other colleges have given their contribution. Thanks to all of you. Now let us see the highlights of 4-week FDP. Dear colleagues, we could get 1,880 registrations, of which 1,200 participants will be completing this FDP successfully. We have gone through 54 videos, 45 quizzes, 4 discussion forums, and 4 weekly activities in this 4-week FDP. This FDP was totally activity based, which has ensured the learning reinforcement in all these successful participants. We have created the Telegram group through which the interaction among the participants have taken place. Along with that, the individual communication was also there, and not only that, the personal guidance and the resolution of the difficulties have taken place through this communication system. Dear colleagues, nearly 5,000 assignments have been assessed during this faculty development program. Now, let us have a quick recap of 4-week FDP, what we have done. In week 1, which was on effective teaching practices, we have seen the Bloom's taxonomy, active and passive learning, various learning styles, and then came to effective teaching practices as given by Dr. Carl Wyman in his teaching practices inventory. We have seen Professor Murray telling us regarding different teaching behaviors. We have gone through various modern pedagogical tools, and we have seen how to create the visual presentation. We started week 2 with the creation of video resources using PowerPoint, Screencast-O-Matic, VideoScribe, animated videos, and we have learned how to create our own WordPress website. In week 3, we have seen how we can create Genomio Moodle course and use of Google Forms and Google Classroom for online teaching. Week 4, we have gone through various advanced and digital pedagogy in which we have seen free software tools for online teaching, effective e-content creation, Mentimeter, Plickr, Kahoot, Testmos, Webinar, MyQuiz, and how we can use these tools for teaching learning process. Dear colleagues, let me thank you for your active participation. Your enthusiasm to learn new things, response to the activities, and active participation in this FDP has made this FDP a grand success. Without you all, this FDP would not have been possible. Thanks, dear participants, for your overwhelming response. Dear colleagues, let us resolve today to learn new things. Whatever we have learned, let us use and transform ourselves and share our learnings with others. Let us teach others and complete this loop of learn, transform, share, teach, and bring the revolution for effective teaching learning process. I thank you all and I wish you very happy learning. Thank you all the stakeholders for your support. I wish you happy learning. Thank you.